Hello guys, today I'm super excited to show you this new product I received. It is a super big cable, okay? It looks like this, and also it comes with this thing to charge your phone. And well, this cable can charge the iPhone 15 from 0% to 50% in 30 minutes, okay? And well, another thing that it is that this cable it's an Apple certificate, and I think that it's super perfect, and it has 60 volts, and well, it's from the USB C type C to another type C, okay? So with this charger and with the cable, I think that it will charge super fast, okay? And well, it's super safe, and I like it because it is super compact, and also that it's really big. I like this one because, for example, in the night when I need to charge my phone, my bed it's super separate from the wall. So I think with this one I can connect it and be using it in the bed, the phone. Okay, so I'm going to charge it and then I'm going to show you that it functions very well. I have here my iPhone 15, and well, I'm going to connect it first, and also it's super easy, okay? And the other one goes here, and like you can see there, it's already charging. I have 39%, and I'm going to see if in a minute it goes up. It's right now 356, okay? So well, and I want to tell you also that I choose this one because I think it's like the natural color of the normal cables, okay? It's just white, and well, I like it a lot. I like that it's super big, okay? Like you can see. Let me move a little bit, and look, I already have it. I still have all the cable here, okay? And well, I hope you like it, and tell me what you think about it. Okay, now it's 358, and like you can see, I have 41%, okay, like you can see there. So I like it because it charged super fast. And well, I think this product I'm going to be and well, I think that this product I'm going to be using it a lot. And also I like it maybe for the office if you are like not too close to the wall. I think it is perfect, or also if you want to connect it to your computer. So well, I hope you like this product, and tell me what you think.